The suspects that the frustrations of not being engaged have their links to drug abuse, human trafficking, domestic violence, and other forms of human rights violation.
The person who is not engaged meaningfully in economic activity, you will now go to do what? To now use things that are not rational.
When you take drugs, your brain is no longer working as a normal human brain. Then you cannot become fully employed.
They've already told them about human rights, and anybody that violates that right, they know what to do about it. So I think it will drive youths away from crime.
The NDA says a lot of the youths and adults will be trained in skills that will make them self-reliant. In Onitsha, Uche Nawekoyo, NTA News.
And that is it from Enugu Route. It's back to you in Abuja for more on Nationwide.
Thank you, Chinenye. Now, President Muhammadu Buhari has directed that the production and personalization of all Nigerian e-passports and related documentation shall be the sole responsibility of the Nigerian Security Printing and Minting Company. A statement from the presidency says, with the new directive from all existing memoranda of understanding and contracts on printing by other institutions and companies will not be renewed. The Mint, as the Nigerian Security Printing and Minting Company, as popularly called, is the largest banknote and security documents specialist printing company in West Africa. However, its performance was rapidly dwindling in terms of both currency production and security documents. And now to judiciary, the Presidential Election Petition Court has resumed hearing on the petition of the People's Democratic Party and its candidate Atiku Abubakar after a day break from the petition to attend to other petitions which are still at the pre-hearing stage. Daily Atumbi reports.
For that, the five-man Presidential Election Petition Court, led by Justice Mohammed Garba, to attend to the petitions of Hope Democratic Party and that of the People's Democratic Movement. At the Thursday's hearing, the petitioners continue to call additional witnesses in support of their petition. At the last hearing, the People's Democratic Party and its candidate Atiku Abubakar have called 19 witnesses. Petitioners this Thursday called additional 7 witnesses, bringing to 26 all those that have witnessed before the court out of 400 proposed by the PDP and its candidate. All the witnesses were alleging overvoting, alteration of results, and non-usage of card reader in some circumstances. The witnesses who adopted their statements under oath as their evidence in chief were led in evidence by the counsel to the petitioners, Livius Ogbu, SAN. So far, some of the witnesses are local government coalition agents of the PDP during the presidential election. During cross-examination, counsel to President Muhammadu Buhari, Wole Olanipekun SAN, Usman Ustas SAN for INEC, and Charles Edosonwon SAN for APC, put the witnesses to task on the allegations which were criminal in nature. Counsel to the respondent also pushed it before the court that the witnesses relied on reports from party agents who are still alive but not brought to witness, thereby rendering the witnesses to be given a third-party evidence that is inadmissible in law. The petitioners are challenging the victory of President Muhammadu Buhari in the February 23 presidential election in 11 states in the North Central, Northeast, and Northwest geopolitical zones of the country. The PDP and its candidate have 10 days to call their witnesses. At this Thursday's hearing, National Chairman of the APC, Adams Oshiomhole, is representing President Muhammadu Buhari, and the APC, whilst Peter Obi is standing in for the PDP and its candidates who are the petitioners in this matter. In Abuja, Dele Atumbi, NTA News.
We are now disengaging from our terrestrial platform to join our AFCON studio, but the news continues on our satellite platforms.